my name is Eden Campbell, and my project is on consumer food waste behaviour change, called Wasteless. This project is an interactive shopping experience that intends to inform consumers about foods they are wasting and tips on how they can minimise their food waste at home in a fun and interactive way. Essentially, can education and sustainable encouragement influence our food waste behaviours at home? Initial research helped identify that Australia is the most wasteful country per person in the world when it comes to household food. Because of this concerning number, I wanted to direct my project in a way that helps consumers understand the impacts they are having. I then identified that there is a lack of education in Australian society, which causes ignorance, lack of opportunity, discrimination, and susceptibility to greenwashing techniques that are enablers of our wasteful behaviour. To ensure that my project creates change, I integrated design features that address all stages of behaviour change. Because wasting food is not a behaviour itself, but the result of several behaviours that add up to food being wasted, I designed my project to be located in a shopping centre where consumers start their food use decisions. I want to bring the information to them. I had a strong project at the end of week 4, but by week 8 my project development had become extremely large for the time frame available. I had developed different mini projects for each stage of behaviour change that I was going to strategically place within the shopping centre. After consultations, I realised that I needed to refocus my project and pick one aspect, which was the interactive touchscreen. To ensure this was more realistic, I went to my local Woolworths and took pictures of the aisles and shopping layout to inform my design. Throughout its development, I used friends and family to identify issues surrounding the features. I had too much text and it was not engaging enough. I used this primary information to continue to develop my interactive experience. Overall, this is my project outcome. It is an interactive screen that users in supermarkets can approach and engage with when doing their weekly shop. It will display the home screen, which changes to a map of the shopping centre upon touch. Up on the left is the icon, which opens to 3 different options: Why Waste is Important, Key Facts, and Waste Not Framework. Why Waste is Important takes you to the page about generalised waste systems, facts, interactive graphs, and a quick interactive questionnaire which enables the user to interact. Going back, I can enter the key facts in food waste, and the Waste Not Framework shows the 5 R developments by a widely credited zero waster, B. Johnson. I can then tap the Wasteless icon to go back to the home page. This page's main feature is the shoppers can look at the aisles they want to go down or are in and find out about the waste impacts. The fruit and veg page, for example, allows me to engage with a question, displays diagrams that move on touch, tips, and did you know facts. Sometimes there are drop-down points for users to find out more and further help them understand the waste impacts from their shopping. This interactive screen is easy to use and easy to navigate within a supermarket layout. Every aisle has its own information and interactive components that consumers can engage with. The information and layout are intended to create intrigue with the user and inform their shopping experience based on the aisles and food they buy. I did do further testing once I was done with my app to ensure that everything was functioning smoothly and there were no glitches in the interface of any of the screens. While I was not able to produce a real outcome in a supermarket, I do feel like this project is effective. With curated information brought to the consumer, their food purchase decisions are influenced and over time provide a key resource for them to make long-term behaviour change. Thank you.